A new program that we have had in place this year is the New Beginnings Grant, and one of the things that is involved in there is parent involvement and also bringing arts into our curriculum. And so each grade level has had a residency throughout this year, and it is bringing the arts into our curriculum here at Franklin, giving students more opportunities for arts and inspired learning.
Okay, we're here at Franklin Elementary. We are here for a family event that is called the Center for Arts Inspired Learning Showcase. It is our culminating activity for some activities and residencies that have happened in our grade levels here at Franklin throughout the year. We have started the event in our gymnasium, where we're going to welcome our parents and tell them a little bit about the program and how the children have been working so hard throughout the year on connecting arts with their content areas. And so we're going to tell the parents a little bit about the activities they have performed throughout the year in their residencies. And then they have passports in their hands that have different activities throughout the building. And depending on which passport they have as to which activities they will be visiting in which order. And then at the end, once they've visited all the activities throughout the building, then they will come back here for our raffle prizes and dessert. We have, for preschool, they have been doing a wiggle jig activity, which is using movement with our preschoolers and learning about body awareness. And so they will be doing the wiggle jig activities in that area. Then we also have a green screen, or we also have tangrams and other things of using geometric shapes, and how that is that art form is then used in our math in third grade. We also have a drama or video making and some other activities, storytelling, a couple other activities throughout the building.